everybody, I'm Chad Fairchild, CEO of Fairchild Equipment, coming to you from our corporate office here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. And just wanted to take a moment to talk with you all about our mission, vision, and core values here at Fairchild Equipment. These are very important to our company and our culture. As you walk into any of our facilities, the mission, vision, core values will be on display, and that's going to be the first thing you see. And the first thing our team sees as they come to the office every day. Core values. We are a family company. Family values are very important to us. So we want a healthy work-life balance, which promotes a winning and pleasant work environment. Safety always. We are committed to safety at all times and all places. There is no corners to be cut when it comes to safety. We are committed to doing anything and everything we can to keep everyone safe here at Fairchild Equipment. Customers for life, excellence in customer service. If we don't deliver, let us know and we'll fix it. So we simply ask our customers, if we're not doing something up to your expectations, please let us know and we will fix it. Employer of choice, happy and productive employees who outwork the competition. And finally, to be active in our communities, outstanding citizens in the market we serve. Being involved in the community, doing what we can to support good causes is very important for us at Fairchild Equipment. I would say a testament to our focus on customer service and our core values, our family values, are these Dealer of Excellence Awards on the wall behind me here. We've been able to be the Dealer of Excellence Award winner 28 of the last 30 years. Which is a huge accomplishment and success for our company.